How's it going, everybody? If you drive a Hummer H3 like I do, and you have also been disappointed that there's no forward light in it, overhead light like there should be. There's only one back here and in the very back on this model. Well, it's not too impossible to just do one yourself. We'll have the video coming soon, but just wanted to show you that it looks very factory. In fact, it is an H3 Lite. It's that one basically. You just have to get a good used one, and you can install it right there, and it looks totally factory. Not that impossible a project, and I like the way it turned out. So video will be coming soon. Y'all be on the lookout for it, and we have other videos about the Hummer H3 Alpha as well. So look through our channel for that. But we'll have this project video coming soon.